Today we are going to study about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is represented by the letter AP. This is chapter number 5 in the initiative book. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Before seeing about arithmetic progression, first let us see what is the meaning of sequence. Sequence. Some numbers arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule are said to be a sequence. Some numbers arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule are said to be a sequence. Simply we can say examples 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. 10, 20, 30, etc. 5, 10, 20, 40, etc. This all are sequence. One rule or another rule is followed. What is the rule in the first one? Why it is a sequence? Some numbers are arranged in a definite order according to some order according to a definite rule. Two plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, etc. That means the rule is adding 2. 2 is added up. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, next is going to be 50, 60, etc. Double of 5 is a 10, double of 10 is 20, double of 20, 40. So the rule is multiplied by 2. Double. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square, 4 square, next is going to be 5 square, next is going to be 6 square, etc. So we know the rule. We can see the rule. So we are able to predict the next terms. Then these type of numbers are called a sequence. Different, any rule we can make. So we can make any number of sequence. Now, what is the meaning of arithmetic progression AP? AP means what? Among these sequence, one particular type is coming under arithmetic progression. A sequence in which each term differs from the preceding term by a constant is called an AP. This constant is called common difference. Common difference letter D. common difference. Usually we mark AP as A1. A1 stands for first term, A2, A3, A4, etc. AP and the common difference is D. Example of AP. Some examples of AP. Among these, which one is AP? 2, 4, 6 AP only. 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. is an AP. Why? Because by adding 2 we are getting the next term, plus 2, again next term, again plus 2, another term, etc. 10, 20, 30, adding 10. Common difference is 10 here. So second is also an AP. First one AP, second is AP. Here it is multiplied, so that is not an AP. It is a sequence, but it is not AP. Next is also not an AP. Last one is an AP. Why? Because minus 5 is added. 100 plus minus 5, 95. 95 plus minus 5 is 90. 90 plus minus 5. So common difference is minus 5. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed term, one particular term. Here difference we can say differs from preceding term by a constant term. Okay. So I can write 50, 45, 40, etc. Plus 5 is added, plus 5, etc. If I say simply 2, 3, 4, 5, is it an AP? AP only, because 1 is added, the common difference is 1. If I say minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, this is also coming under AP. But the numbers are same only, but still, if somebody is asking is it AP? Yes, because 0 is added. Plus 0, another one, again plus 0, next time, etc. First time A1, second time A2, third time A3, etc. If 3 terms are in an AP, then second difference will be always the same. Common difference, there should be common difference. Here in the first case, 2 is a common difference. Second case, minus 5 is a common difference. 1 is a common difference. If 3 terms are in AP, then A3 minus A2 will be same as A2 minus A1. 3 times A1, A2, A3. 3 times A1, A2 and A3 are in AP. Then A2 minus A1, yeah, A3 minus A2, yeah, A4 minus A3, A5 minus A4, all the difference will be same. Common difference must be same. Okay. Now take the exercise. From the exercise we can discuss few questions. Exercise. First question, exercise 5.1. First question, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression? Taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for each additional kilometer, AP or not? Surely it is AP, because minimum charge to be given is 15 rupees and 1 kilometer means plus 1 more kilometer means 8 rupees extra we have to give, again 1 more kilometer plus 8, again 1 more 8, that means like that it will be, it is an AP. For each kilometer we have to give 8 rupees. So it is AP. Second part, amount of air present in a cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Every time when we switch on the vacuum pump, it is written 1/4 of the air will be removed. AP or not? No, because Whatever be the amount of air, 1/4 is removed in the first case. Now the remaining air is less only. So second time when I switch on the vacuum pump, 1/4 of the remaining will be removed. That means first 1/4 and now the 1/4, that is different. Third time when I switch on, again 1/4 of the remaining will be removed. That means the amount is not the same. Like example in the class, teacher is saying half of the class can go and play in the field. So initially in the class 50 children are there. So who will go? As soon as the teacher is saying half of the children can go, 25 will run away. Half of 50, 25 children will run away. Within seconds they will get disappeared into the field. Okay. Now after some time teacher is saying, okay, half of you again half of you can go. Now only 25 are remaining. Now half of the 25 means 12 and a half. 12 and a half should go, so there will be a bigger fight, isn't it? So amount is not the same. It is not AP. Initially there is no problem. Half of 50, 25 are gone. Now half of 25 will go. Next time half of again that half that will be going. Okay. Now question number 3. Cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meter. AP only surely, because we know in order to start the work 150 rupees, and for each and every meter 50 rupees each. For the first meter surely 150 extra money is there. Now 1 more meter means 50 more we have to give. 1 more meter means again 50 like that. So it is going to be AP. Fourth, amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. Compound interest means we know interest is getting added every year. After every time interest will be added with the principal. Therefore interest is not going to be same. Interest is increasing every time. So compound interest means not an AP. If the question is with the simple interest means the same interest will be given every year. Okay, so that will be simple interest means AP, compound interest means not an AP. Then question number 2. Question number 2. Write first 4 times of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given below. First term is given already A as a 10. Common difference is given as a 10. Now they are asking write first 4 times. First 4 times means A1 is already given as A only, that is 10 only. Second time needed means A plus D. A plus D 1 times we have to add 10 plus 10, that is going to be 20. Now A3 third time means again 10 will be added, 20 plus 10, that is 40, that is 30. Again A4 means 30 plus 10. Keep on adding that only, 10, 20, 30, 40, simply we can say AP is, if you want we can write AP also, 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. But they are asking only 4 times. Same procedure for all. Okay. Only thing is we have to do very carefully. Addition we have to do carefully. It can be negative, it can be positive, etc. Third part, A equal to 4, D equal to minus 3. A1 is same as A first time. First time we say A or A1. Okay, both are same. A1, A2, A3. A1 that is A only, that is 4 only. A2 means A plus D. 1 D will be added 4 plus minus 3. 4 and minus 3 adding plus 1. A3 means A2 plus D. Second time plus D. Second time is 1 plus minus 3, that is minus 2. A4 means A3 plus D. A3 is minus 2 plus minus 3, that is minus 5. So the times AP, if you want we can write AP is 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. 4 times are written. Okay. Question number 3. For the following AP, write first term and common difference. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, etc. AP is already given. Now they are asking to write a first term. First term is first term here. In this case, A is 3. First term is 3. And the common difference. What is common difference? D. Common difference means 1 minus 3. Common difference A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3 minus 2. Third part, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, etc. First time A1 is 1 by 3. Common difference is A2 minus A1. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 5 minus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. Not only A2 minus A1, it can be A3 minus A2, it can be A4 minus A3, any difference. All the difference will be same. Suppose it is the second part, what you will do? Minus 5 minus 1, 3, 7. A is minus 5. Common difference I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 minus A3 I will do. 7 minus 3, 4. Why should I do with A2 minus A1 when there is a negative numbers are all? Very good numbers are there. Positive numbers are there. This minus this. Okay. If I do minus 1 minus 5, same answer will come. Minus 1 minus minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5. Answer is going to be same. But why should I take trouble when better numbers are there? 7 minus 3. Decimal fraction, negative numbers, positive numbers, everything same other. Next is question number 4. Which of the following are AP? If they form AP, write a common difference and 3 more times. AP or not? I will show few examples. 2, 4, 8, 16. AP or not? No. Because into 2 into 2. They are asking to. Yes or no they are asking, but we will write the step also. Common difference A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 4 minus 2, that is 2. A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 means 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So we can stop there and say A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, it is not an AP. If the question is to show that whether it is to show that it is not an AP. Difference is different. Second part, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, etc. This is same as 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5, 3, 3.5, etc. So simply we can say increasing by half. Yes, it is an AP. Yes, it is an AP because increasing. None of LCM 5 by 2, 2.5, 3.5. We can see directly, so it is an AP. Now they are asking write 3 more times, isn't it? A equal to 2, D is half. Now which are the next 3 more times? 1, 2, 3, 4 are given. A5. A5 means A4 plus 3.5. Next is going to be 4. A6, 4.5. 9 by 2, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 in the same style if you want. Then A6, A7, 4.5, then 5, A8, 5.5, 5.5 means 11 by 2. Okay, we can write it simply. Question number 5. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, etc. Yes or no? Yes, it is increasing by root 2. 3 root 2 added, 1 more root 2 added, that means 2 root 2, 1 more root 2 added, 3 root 2, so it is AP. Next is going to be 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2, etc. Okay. Question number 6, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, etc. Looking like a AP, but it is not a AP because we know it is not a something added. One more digit is written extra here. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222. We are not adding something with this. One more digit is written, 2 places, 2 times 2 written, 3 times 2 written, etc. Not an AP. Eighth one is AP, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. What is the common difference? Common difference is 0. Common difference is 0 only. 1, 3, 9, etc. Not an AP. 10th part, A, 2A, 3A, 4A, etc. AP. Because A is added 1 plus A plus A, 2A, 2A plus A, 3A, 3A plus A, 4A, etc. 11th part, A square, A cube, etc. Multiplied. It is not AP. Each time is multiplied with A to get to the next one. Then next one. Next one is we will see 12th part. 12th part, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, etc. What to do? We can simplify this before taking a conclusion. Yeah, before doing subtraction. This is root 2. Root 8 means 8 means 4 into 2, that means 2 root 2. 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2. 16 into 2, that is 4 root 2, etc. So now we can simply say it is AP. Root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, etc. Yes. Common difference D is root 2. Therefore, times we can say 4 root 2. Then next terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2, 8 root 2, etc. Suppose I need in this style, it can be, that is 5 root 2. 5 can be taken inside. If 5 is going inside, what will come? 5 5s are 25 into 2, 50. 6 6 are 36 into 2, 72. 49 into 2, 98. 8 8s are 64, 64 into 2, 128, etc. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 5th time, 6th time, 7th time, 8th time. So what is to be done? If some work is possible, we will do. Then only we can. Root 2, root 8. Root 8 means 4 into 2. 4 means 2 will go outside. Otherwise, ordinary work. 1 2 is going outside, 2 root 2. This only done. But instead of doing this, we did in lower classes. So now we can do directly 4 into 2, 8. That means 4 means 2 will go outside. Root 32, 16 into 2, 16 is a perfect square. So 4 root 2 directly we can write. Okay. 18, 9 into 2. So 9 will go outside as a square root. Okay. 1 or 2 more. Fifteenth. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. 1 square is 1 only. 5 square 25, 7 square 49, then 73. 82 minus 7, 24. 49 minus 25, 24. Again 24. A2 minus A1, that is 25 minus 1, 24. A3 minus A2, that is 49 minus 25, that is 24 only. A4 minus A3, 73 minus 49, 24 only. Yes, it is an AP. Common difference is 24. So we can write next also plus 24, etc. Okay. 14th part. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Same thing. 1 square 1, 3 square 9, 5 square 25. So we have to check it. 1 square 1, 9, 25, 49. Here 8, here not 8. So we can say no. I hope it is clear. Now we will see what is the meaning of nth term of an AP. What is the meaning of nth term of an AP? Suppose there is one example 50, 60, 70, etc. First term is 50. Next term is 60, that means 50 plus 10. 70 means 50 plus 10 plus one more 10. 80 means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. First time, this is first time. Second time is 50 plus 10. Third time is 50 plus 10 plus 10. Fourth time is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. First time, second time. So can you say what is fifth time? Yeah, sixth time. Fourth time means 3 times 10 is added. Third time means 2 times d added. Second time means 50 plus 1 times. That means an. Nth time means how many times we have to add. This is a only. A1 is a only. A2 means a plus 1 times d, 1d. This is a plus 2 times d. A3 means a plus 2 times. A4 means a plus 3d. Therefore an will be a plus n minus 1 into d. A10 means a plus 9d. A20 means a plus 19d. An is A4 means a plus 3 times d. 1, 2, 3. 80 means. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a formula for finding an. Nth term of an AP, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We can by heart it as formula. How to get the nth term of an AP? Example, find the 50th term of the AP. 25, 30, 35, 40, etc. So in this question, A is 25, D is 30 minus 25, that is 5, N equal to 50th time we need 50. So formula we can write An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A50 is equal to A plus what is A? 25 plus n minus 1, that is 50 minus 1 into d. What is d? D is 5, that is 25 plus 49 into 5. How much? 25 plus 270. 50th time will be 270. Keep on increasing. 25 to 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, etc. 50th time, if we write up to 50, then that time will be 270. Another example. Find the 10th time of the AP. 30, 28, 26, etc. Simply that is steps. A equal to 30, D is equal to 28 minus 30. Remember, second time minus first time. 28 minus 30, that is minus 2. N equal to 10th time. 10th time we need, so n equal to 10. an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a10 equal to a plus 30 plus n minus 1, that is 9. 10 minus 1 into d is minus 2, that is 30 plus 9 into minus 2, 30 minus 18, 12. Now we will see questions from the exercise. Second exercise. Exercise 5.2, question number 2. First part. Find the 30th time of the AP. That is exactly same as what we did just now. Okay, so I will show second one. Second is also same, but still it is having fractions. 11th time of the AP, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, etc. Minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, etc. They are asking 11th time. A is minus 3, D is minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Second time minus, first time minus 1 by 2 minus 3. That is minus 1 by 2 plus 3. LCM 2. Minus 1 plus 2 into 3, 6. That is 5 by 2. N equal to 11th time. An, formula An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a11 equal to a plus, that is minus 3 plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1 into d. D is 5 by 2. Minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. 5 5 is 25, minus 3 plus 25, that is 22. Now special questions. Question number 4. Which time of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78? 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78. Which time is 78? Second time is 8, third time is 13th, fourth time, yeah, this is something like that. Which time? Maybe 100th time, maybe 200th time, that we have to find. That means what is to be calculated on? N. Which time? N we have to calculate. A is 3, D is 8. Now what is 78? 78 is AN. General time we can say 20th time, 30th time. So N equal to question mark, but AN is given as 78. AN is fourth time, fifth time. So A is there as 3, D is 8 minus 3, 5. D is 8 minus 3, 5. N equal to question mark, AN is 78. Okay, simply substitute in the normal formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN means 78. 78 equal to A is 3 plus N minus 1, N we don't know, into D is 5. 3 will come here, 78 minus 3 is equal to 5N minus 5. 5N minus 5 if you are opening. 78 minus 3 is 75. 5 can come here. 75 plus 5 equal to 5N. Yeah, 80 equal to 5N. Therefore, N equal to 80 by 5. 16. 60th time is 78. If you are writing first, second, third, etc. Up to 16, if you are writing, that time is going to become 78 only. Another question. Another question, question number 5. Find the number of times in each of the following AP. 7, 13, 19, etc. 205. Question is given in another style. How many times are there? Up to here 2 times, up to here 3 times, up to 205 how many times? N A equal to 7, D is equal to 13 minus 7, 6. A N equal to 205, up to 205, total how many times are there? A N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, ordinary formula, that is 205 equal to A plus 7 plus N minus 1 into D, D is 6. 205 minus 7 equal to 6n, opening the bracket as 6n minus 6. (198) equal to, that is 6 will come here now, 6n minus 6, 198 plus 6 equal to 6n, 204 equal to 6n, n equal to 204 upon 6, 6 3 34, n equal to 34 times are there. This is going to be 34th time. I hope you are understanding. Procedure is same, but questions are given in different style. That only. Previous question it was asked which time is going to be 205. In this question it is written up to 205 how many times are there. So work is same, isn't it? Like in the class, what is the roll number of last child? Last child 50th child, because total 50 children are there in the class, isn't it? So we can, same thing we can say in different way. Total how many children are there? Yeah, what is the roll number of the last child? All these are going to be same. Total 50 children. Yeah, 50th children is having the last roll number. So same thing is written in different way. Question is made in different style. See another question. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a time or not. 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. Minus 150 is a time or not. A is 11, D is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Then what we know? In this question it was very clear that it is a time. Nth time, AN. We took it as AN. But here we are not sure. They are asking whether it is a time or not. Like 5 is a time. Which time? Third time. 2 is a fourth time. If I consider 4 is not a time. 5 is a time, 3 is not a time, 1 is not a time, or 7 is not a time. So same way they are asking minus 150 is a time or not. We will assume let AN equal to minus 150. Simply assume that it is also a time and then find n. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is minus 150 equal to A plus, that is 11 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 equal to minus 3n plus 3. Opening the bracket. Minus 3n plus 3. This is minus 61 equal to minus 3n plus 3. 3 will come here. Minus 161 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 164 equal to minus 3n. Here we can say n equal to minus 164 upon minus 3. Minus cancelled. 164 upon 3. Not divisible by 3. N equal to 164 upon 3, not divisible by 3. Fraction will come surely. Not a natural number, not a counting number. Natural number means counting number. We can say not a natural number. If you want, we can calculate also, but not necessary. We can simply say it is not going to be a proper number. How much? What is going to be the number? 3 5s are 15, 1 remaining, 3 4s are 12. 2 by 3, 54, 2 by 3, not a natural number. Not a natural number. So what we can say? This word is compulsory, not a natural number. Without this, we can do it here only. 164 by 3 not divisible by 3. So fraction will come, yeah, decimal will come. So not a natural number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Come back to this. 8 is a term, second term. But if I consider 6 is not a term. But if we calculate it, then what will come? 2 point something. If we force it and apply, if we consider it as 6 as a term, and if we do the calculation, we will get a 2 point something, because after 2 only it will be, 6 will be after 2, but before 5 is the third term, 6 is 2 point something, but there is no such a term. 2.1 the time, 2.2 at the time we cannot say. Second is third child. Roll number 2 is there, roll number 3 is there. Isn't it? In the class, roll number 2 is there, roll number 3 is there, roll number 2.1 is not there. Okay, so it is, since it is not a natural number, we can say it is not a time. I hope it is clear.